Hey, what's up guys, Nino here, and today I'm going to be talking about some of the appearance modifications that I've done to my 2015 Dodge Charger. We can begin with the big old elephant in the room, which is the Panda on the side of my car. So the inspiration behind it is sort of like that Hellcat decal that Hellcats have on the side that I've seen on some of the Chargers, and I was like, you know what, I want something like this but in my own little twist, which is the Panda, because we pretty much, myself and all my friends, call this car the Panda, and so it only made sense. So I hit up this guy called No Limits Car Designs on Instagram, as I saw he did a bunch of Charger decals and very custom to individuals as well, and I'll show you their Instagram page here, so you can see here there's a whole bunch of different custom stuff that he's done for other people as well. Yeah, but it ran about 450 bucks. It's on both sides and it's pretty large, so I think that's why it's sort of the cost is kind of high. That was just for the piece. Then I had to go get it installed somewhere, which was about 150 bucks. Yeah, around 150 bucks. So around 600 bucks total for everything. So not too bad. So another thing you probably noticed is my back tail light. I have this overlay on it. Is from the same person actually, from No Limits Car Designs. I got the overlay at the same time I got the Panda because I thought it would look pretty cool. It's like the Honeycomb Overlay that goes over the back taillight. And I got it in white. You can get it, I think, pretty much any color. He offers a whole bunch of different colors I've seen on his Instagram for this overlay, and it ran around about 50 bucks, so not that bad. So yeah, that's pretty much all from him. And then moving on, let's see. So while we're talking about the taillight, you can see that I actually have the bottom portion of it tinted. So actually during the nighttime it doesn't actually look like the typical Charger taillight. It almost looks like an upside down U. Another thing about the overlay on the back, I actually thought about this myself when I was buying this. If I could see the turn signals just fine at night, and yeah, you can you can see those just fine, and it's the same thing during the day. Like, you're not gonna have any issues with the turn signals or being pulled over or anything like that. They're clearly visible. So let's just get on to some of the rest of the modifications that I have on the Charger. So if you begin with the spoiler, I do have the Hellcat Spoiler on mine that I removed the stock one, which was a pain in the ass to remove, but we removed it and got that bad boy on. I also have Hellcat Replica rims, which ran about, well, I got tires and rims at the same time, which was about 1,400 bucks, but I think if I were to have just got the rims alone, it would have been maybe like 600 or 700 bucks, around that ballpark. But I'll have a link in the description pretty much to everything that I've done to this car and where I got it from as well. So now we're going to move on to the front of the vehicle. And so yeah, I've done a decent amount of work to the front of the vehicle as well. First thing you probably notice is the vinyl wrap, which I did at the same time I did the roof vinyl wrap. And the person who did that for me, he actually wrapped the roof, he wrapped the hood, and he tinted my front windows, which all that together he gave me a price of 500 bucks to get all that done. So some of the other things that I have done to the front is I have added the claw decal. Super simple to add, but I think it adds a nice effect for the headlight, and I think it looks cool on Chargers. I've seen this on other vehicles. Kind of looks dumb on other cars, but maybe it looks dumb on mine, but I don't know, I think it looks pretty cool. And we also actually have a video on our channel of how we install that, and I'll leave a link in the description on that video, so if you ever wanted to So another thing that I've added to the car is the tint over the fog lights, and it was actually yellow tint, but when we put it on it looks green, which to our surprise actually looked kind of cool. So we just left it on there. Looks pretty cool at night too. I've had a lot of compliments on it, and I was just doing it for fun since Taco Ako put it on his car, the guy with the Civic, this guy right here. Since he put it on his car, I was like, let me just see what it looks like on my car too. And so now we get to the final piece, which is the splitter. And I got that from BJ's Garage. I'll have a link in the description for his website so you can check it out. It's about 300 bucks plus shipping. It's really good material. I like the way it looks. But when you get it, you actually get it just all black. That little white trim piece that you were seeing on my car, I actually took that off and plasti dipped it white, just because I thought it looked cooler. Sort of almost gave this like 3D effect. It makes it pop out more, I feel like. Yeah, so those are the mods on my 2015 Dodge Charger. Not sure if I'm going to do anything else to it since I already have done a lot and put in decent money into it, so not sure if I am. But if I do, I will definitely make an update video. But yeah, definitely leave a comment down below of what you think about my car. You can roast me, you can give me compliments. I don't care. Either way. Thanks for watching. See ya.